Tech is filmed in front of a live canine audience.
It isn't often in life that you still get to experience that, like, true kid in a candy store experience. What 5-year-old you would have thought. This is one of those moments for me. I was such a Commodore geek. Look at these chicken lips on the box. C64U, Commodore International Corporation. Mine's the Starlight Edition. I can't believe this just showed up on the porch. I literally ran out here, drugged the poor dog out here. I just can't believe this is here, and we're going to open it up. Haven't watched anybody else's videos who I know got this already. Bottom line is, this is just me, and just me being excited. So this is going to be super cool for me. Can't help but keep singing. Are you keeping up with Commodore? If I leave that in, I apologize. We'll see. I might have to edit that out, because I don't want to hear myself singing. But that's just the level of excitement that I have. And I really need to clean up out here. This place is a hot mess. The Atari 5200 has spent way too much time out here because I just like to play it. But I gotta move on and... Oh, look at that! Commodore 64 Ultimate! Oh my goodness. Look at this thing! It just shouldn't exist. There's no world in which this should exist, I don't think. I don't know what else to say. Absolutely phenomenal. Modern gaming retro power. Oh, retro gaming modern power. Our 3 editions. I mean, by now everybody's seen all of this. If you're watching this, you obviously have any level of interest in this, or just want to see me be giddy. Either way, I'll take it. This is pretty fantastic. Look at this. Welcome to your digital oasis. It is so beautiful. It's the right way to do this so we don't hurt anything. It is absolutely beautiful. It is truly an experience unlike no other out there. Like, this is not something you should get to re-experience as an adult. Opening something like this up. Look at even the Commodore bag. How well done. And here I am, an adult. My dog's running around my shed. My chickens are outside running around. And I get to open this beautiful, clear box open. This is just awesome. And thanks to my recent collections, I've got a 1581 that I'm going to hook up to this thing. Probably even get out my 1541 emulator and try that out. User guide with quick start. Oh, we get stickers. Okay, yeah, I love 8-bit. Might have to go on the truck, but definitely digging the ready too. Think about this. Oh, my cassette is not together. Oh, it's because it's stuck in the box. Half of the cassette itself. Oh, all this stuff is stuck in here. Is it supposed to be stuck in here? Oh, I guess so. Power adapter. Alright, this is a little intense. I didn't expect to have to work this hard. What is the stickum you guys used? Oh my goodness gracious. It's got, remember these wonderful little tabs that used to break off all the time? Let's not break one off right now. That's our goal. Don't break a little tab off. Ah, look at that. How to play this tape. Top secret USB plug. That is fantastic. Oh, it's amazing. Alright, we'll get there. And came apart again. Alright, well, I get to relive another part of my life when cassettes used to fall apart on you all the time. HDMI cable, in and of itself, kind of funny. I really love the stickers. What a cool addition. I didn't expect that. And we got our user guide here. And that also, great job again. Look at this thing. It's like a real user guide. Not the flimsy garbage or the fake nothing or even the CD-ROMs we got later in life. It is a true and real user guide, even with programs. Nice job. All right. Enough. 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 This is a hot mess. My bench is a hot mess. You can see this stuff is everywhere. Welcome back to the world of friendly computing. Let's clean up a little bit. I'll get this thing hooked up. Eventually it's going downstairs on my bench of fun stuff. But in the meantime, I need to clean up so we can hook this thing up and fire it up. Okay, this turned out to be ironic. This barn was all too old to run my new Commodore because it's HDMI and I don't feel like going down and getting my video cables off my 128. So ran out and grabbed an HDMI foldable monitor so I can fire this thing up for the first time. I don't know. I find it hilarious. So let's see what happens. Let's kick it to live here. Ooh. Snap. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, let's bring you over here to share the joy. That's so crazy. I mean, obviously, weird on that monitor, but oh my goodness. I have to get a 4x3 monitor. I don't know what to say. Oh, that's so insane. There's got a Commodore 64 on the bench. A new Commodore 64 on the bench. That's not supposed to be a thing that happens. A new Commodore 64 sitting here. I mean, I've got a 128 downstairs. It works great. It's amazing. But, I mean, just something about pulling this thing up and we all of a sudden have a Commodore 64. And it feels legit. I mean, I know there were some complaints out there about the Flex. It flexes. I'm not going to use this as my daily driver. I'm not typing a paper on it. I'm not typing my dissertation on it, which really not typing that anywhere right now, but I'll get to it. Oh my gosh. Just freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. Look at that. It's a new Commodore 64. All right, well, there's only one thing to be due. Well, no, that's not true. I gotta put in the very, very second and give that a run, but then I'll go and get some important things to play on here. Yeah, that's supremely weird. There is a cassette plugged into the back of my Commodore. All right, let's follow the directions here. Free USB port. I'm definitely ready for the magic. Flip the multifunction switch up. Oh, ooh, oh man. Okay, Commodores aren't supposed to look like that though. Look at that. Nice little browser interface. Disk file browser. Yep. My USB disk. Oh, it's got Geos on here. Oh, we got games on here. Thanks, guys. I didn't know you loaded this up with some fun stuff to start out with. I appreciate that, but you don't have the best game ever made. How am I supposed to play my Potty Pigeon if it's not on here? I'm going to have to go in and get it. Let's just fire up Bomberland real quick here. Run! Oh, thank you for including something that let me have a chance to play this right away or mess up what I was supposed to do. Obviously, that was what I did. Okay. Maybe that's just truly a save. Let's run the cartridge. Oh, yeah, it's definitely fast. I don't know what I would have done at a younger age if my Commodore ever ran this quick. Nice. Sound effects are fantastic. Need to get a joystick out here, don't we? Okay, I gotta run inside because I need a copy of Potty Pigeon or this day won't be complete because that's what's required of every system for me. Holy cow.